What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is Monday the 10th of Feb 2020. Right now we're here at Seongsu area, about to have some coffee at Camouflage Coffee, and after this we're gonna head out to one of the hot spots in Seoul right now for fried chicken burger. They're kind of like a French American fusion, a bit of Korean as well, I think, from what my friend Chris has told me. But like super trending right now, that if you don't get there shortly after it opens, it'll be hard to get in. So after coffee, we're just gonna head out there straight away and have some of their burgers. So they're called Le Freak. But before Le Freak, we're gonna go to Camouflage Coffee, have some coffee right now. Alright, so see you guys in a bit. Alright, so Camouflage Coffee is so close when we got there. Plan B. There's a coffee close by called Upside, and they are a specialty coffee shop here in Seongsu area as well. So ordered filter, Honduras, and a flat white. Just waiting for that, and after this we're gonna head out to Le Freak. Yo fam, we're finally here at Le Freak. So this guy's just opened, I think around December 2019, and they've been trending ever since. So you have to get here. They open at 11:30 lunchtime. You have to get here as early as possible before 11:30. They're really popular for the fried chicken burger. So their signature fried chicken burger is a Nashville style fried chicken with some house-made coleslaw and a milk bun, pickles, and I think it's got some special sauce in there. Chat potato, which is fat fried, pickled fennel, spring onion, and truffle oil, guys. They've got mussels as well, man. Wow. It's a mussel tomato soup that's available here at Le Freak as well. Takeout is also available, so take note of that. So if you want to come here quickly, get some food, take out, you can do that. See you guys in a bit. So we're here finally at Le Freak. We're gonna start with the signature burger. Wow, the coating is just amazing. It's like delicate, super crunchy. You can taste the spices as well, and there's all the chili sauce coming through. The actual chicken meat is super juicy. Flavors, and the milk one is super soft. You got the coleslaw, it's cutting through all of that richness. Pickle and slow pass through all that richness. Wow, it's like the best fried chicken I've ever had. No joke, guys. It's been fried in pork fat. Wow, crispy crust in that potato. So much umami in it. So well seasoned with the salt and the truffle oil. You smell it straight away, and you can taste the truffle straight away. Wow. Alright, so I'm about to have the s'mores now. Really good s'mores. Amazing chocolate, stretchy toasted marshmallow. What's up, guys? So now we're at Onion Cafe here at their Anguk branch. I think it's like 3 or 4 cafes for Onion Cafe. This particular branch of Onion Cafe is a ex-Hanok sort of place. This is an old school Korean style home, and they've transferred into a cafe. Alright, so we're going to check out the coffee and pastries right now. Some of the best coffee and pastries here in Seoul. Alright, you guys take it there. Wow, it's like really smooth and sweet, fruity. Wow, it's really nice. Ethiopian geisha. Now I'm gonna try the anse chocho pastry with custard cream, French cream, and maple cream cheese. Top pastry is like a chocolate pastry. The bottom is like a kuminaman. Sweet in the inside, flaky pastry, and outside it's like nice and sweet and crisp. So I'm having an angel meat covered panettone like pastry. Peanut buttery. That's what it tastes like. Alright guys, so this is the last stop for the day here at Doma barbecue here in Hongdae. My favorite barbecue place in Seoul, near Hongdae Street. So if you look at the menu, there's a Doma meat selection A. It gives you like 3 cuts of meat. So it's like 150 grams per person. Which comes with bottom sirloin, triangle, rib meat, prime rib. We got the prime rib seasoned. We also ordered some bibimbap. And they've already got some sides ready for you. They've got like 2 kinds of kimchi, one like the normal cabbage kimchi, then you've got the spring onion kimchi. There's also some sides like pumpkin, perilla leaves. There's also octopus with chili sauce, and you've got some cabbage as well. Starting with the sirloin. That's so tender. They also have this famous herb salt here. You need to try. I'm trying with the sirloin now. Herb salt. Wow. So much flavor. With bibimbap. Mashiseo. Prime rib. So tender. Onto barbecue without kimchi. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Today is the last day in Seoul. Tomorrow we're headed to Karuizawa in Japan. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And please hit that notification bell so that you're up to date with all my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace. Much love. I'm out.